Hey guys, welcome back, or if you're new, welcome. Today I have this super fast and easy makeup look for you guys. You guys asked me for a smoky eye on Instagram and I was like, why not? This is like one of my favorite looks to do ever when I don't know what to do. If I don't know, like, oh, I don't know how to do my makeup today. Smoky eye. Smoky eye, smoky eye. That will save you a lot of problems. So this is the look that I did for you guys. Super fast and easy, and I did use some new palettes that Coastal Scents sent me, and I love them so much. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into the tutorial. Okay guys, so let's get started. I hope the lighting is good because it's already dark outside since it gets dark so early, and it's like my first time filming at night. And my ring light, like I have a ring light, but it's not like the bigger one, it's like the smaller one, so I literally have all these lighting trying to make it work for you guys. But yeah, let's get started. Today I'm gonna be using Revealed palette from Coastal Scents. They sent it to me and I saw it, and this is literally like my perfect palette because I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I love warm tones. Like, that's me. I don't like cool tones at all. I don't like them on me. I don't like them on other people. I just hate them. Like, I don't like it. I don't like them. So when I saw this one, I was like, okay, I have to have it because I love the colors. And I also got this one, which this is so freaking pretty, you guys. And I love all the colors. This is new. And as you guys can see, I already went through it. Anyways, I love the colors in this one. They're so pretty, so bright, and I love the orange and everything. So I think I'm gonna be using a little bit of that orange today. And we're going to be doing brown smoky eye. So you guys have asked me for a smoky eye for a long time, and honestly, smoky eyes, brown smoky eyes are my favorite because I feel like they go with anything that you're wearing, anything that you're gonna do. You can do a smoky eye, a brown smoky eye. You can either do a super dark brown smoky eye, or you can do a really light brown smoky eye. Like, it just depends what you're going for, right? So like my clients, when they really come to me and they're like, oh, I don't know what I want, but this is what I'm gonna wear, and they show me a picture of the dress, I'm like, well, I say you go for a brown smoky eye because you can never go wrong with a brown smoky eye. So that's what we're gonna be doing today, and I'm so excited to be using this new palette and also some, where are they? Some new brushes for them too, from them. So yeah, let's get started. So the first brush that I'm gonna be using, it's the N06. Okay, so the first color that I'm going to go in with, it's gonna be this bright orange right here, and I'm gonna use that as my transition color. So I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of that, and I'm gonna add it in my crease. And I'm gonna try to bring it like all the way in here because since it is gonna be a full-on smoky eye, I want the color to be all the way here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the smaller brush. This is the 250. And I'm gonna go with this color right here. It's called Amazing. And I'm gonna add this in the crease too, but I'm not gonna bring it so high up like the other one. So I'm gonna try to like keep it on the lower crease. So now I'm gonna grab a little bit of concealer with a flat brush, and I'm gonna add it to the lid. Just like that, and then I'm gonna try to blend it out with my finger. And now I'm gonna grab another flat brush, and then I'm gonna add it all over the lid. Now I'm gonna grab the smaller brush and a little bit of more of that brown color that's called night brush, and I'm gonna add it to the crease to blend out the two browns. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab an even smaller tiny brush, and I'm gonna use the darkest one in the palette, which is called Stand Out, and I'm gonna add it to the lash line. Okay guys, and this is literally it for like the top of the eyes. If you want to make it smokier, just add a darker brown or even add black to the lash line, but I like it like this. I'm just gonna leave it like this. So now I'm gonna move on to my bottom lash line. That is literally it for the eyes. I'm just gonna add some lashes and we'll almost be finished. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be using, as always, my Ivy lashes from the Makeup Shack because I think these ones are perfect for a smoky eye. Okay, so my lashes are on. Now I'm just gonna add some mascara to my bottom lash line. Now I'm gonna do my lips, and I'm gonna be using, I don't even think I need to say the name anymore. And for lipstick, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Naked. I'm also gonna be adding a lip gloss from Revlon in the color 205. Okay guys, so here's the finished look. I love it. This is literally like a go-to makeup for me. Like, I don't know what to do today. Smoky eye. And I'm not a big fan of lip gloss, but when I do smoky eyes, just something about smoky eyes with like a glossy lip, just you know, like I love it. So you guys saw how simple it is. It's just fast and easy, and it looks amazing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you want to see more videos like this. Let me know what other looks do you guys want to see. If you guys want to see like a makeup looks for the holidays, you know, Christmas and all of that that's coming up, which is so exciting. I love. So yeah, let me know, and thank you so much for watching.